Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I don't think I ever showed you the whole kitchen. Well, this is the cabinets that are where the refrigerator used to sit. We had a big double wide refrigerator and it took up a lot of space. So we turned that into cabinet space. And then we set up this little coffee bar over here on the counter because we all like coffee. New sinks, deep sinks. Enough room you can drop a turkey in there and not have it hanging out the top. Then we get over to the cooking area and then we go on out in the garage door. This is a lot more counter space than what we ever had before. And it worked out really nice. The genius idea was having the refrigerator sit on this wall. That lets us get into the 7-foot triangle between the sink and the stove and the refrigerator. Worked pretty well. But this is the thing that I wanted to show you. This is what I worked hard on all weekend. The pantry now has no border anymore. The walls are painted to match the kitchen. There's new baseboard all the way around. And this is Sadie's little corner of the house. We have the pan racks put back up. My coat rack for where I hang all my coats when I go in and out in the winter. And of course, my shoes. Because every guy's got to have a bunch of shoes, right? But anyways, we rearranged the rack so that we got more room. And we have more access to the shelves. Works out really nice. I'm very happy with it. So that's the update on the pantry. We finally finished it. This is Sunday night. Lydia went through and restacked everything in the pantry and got it all organized so that she can find things. And I'm really happy with it. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. And I really appreciate Lydia helping me. I couldn't have got this done without her.